So now we're going to move into the adjustment with Kurush. And what were you just telling me? You're feeling pain here. And what movements were you doing that originally caused the issue that you came in for?
Maybe lifestyle, like phone things.
Oh,
Laptop,
right.
yeah.
Looking down on your phone. He's a photographer.
Yeah, and also looking down the phone, laptop, yeah, like this kind of stuff.
Okay, so just chronic poor posture is basically what you're saying. Okay. All right. So he's been adjusted before, so he knows what adjustments are like. So we're going to start with some light work here. I can feel some chronic muscle spasms in here. And you said this is also where on the right side, yeah, I feel that, where you're getting a lot of pain here. And it feels sharp. Okay. Did they do any x-rays at the last place?
Yeah, I've done X-ray.
Okay. Of the spine specifically?
Yeah, but the X-ray was like almost like 2 years ago, but
Okay.
I think maybe
Good. So no surgeries or any weird abnormalities we got to focus on? Okay. So right hip's pretty locked up. Left hip is too, but the right, actually, it's hard to tell. Which side, is there more pain on one side versus the other?
no, nothing is
No? Okay. So we're gonna check his feet too. Your right ankle's a little bit short. Flexibility's pretty good. So for those out there that don't believe that people can actually get their heel to their butt, he's got good flexibility. The only thing I see though is as I lift your right, your hip starts to rotate. Left is a little bit worse. And it does feel like the left is a little bit more locked up. So we're still gonna adjust, even though his main complaint's up here, the whole spine is one thing, so we're gonna adjust this too. So I'm gonna do a drop here. The table pops up like that, and then I'm gonna drop by itself, just like that, okay? I'm gonna have you cross your left leg over your right leg.
Okay.
Good.
Should I change?
Yep, go ahead and cross it. Yep, just like that, perfect. Good. Good, and then uncross them. Good. Check again, see if that changed anything. Yep. So now your legs are actually even. So that's good. Good. All right. Good. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Good. Take a deep breath in. So that moved very well. And then we want to fix the upper cervical region here too.
You want me to hold it for you?
No, that's okay.
It doesn't fall?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
You're good?
Yeah, because it tracks me.
Yeah.
Good, yeah, this is really locked up here. So there's no wonder you're having a lot of that tingling. So we're gonna start with some drops just to get this loosened up a little bit. Good. You okay with that?
Yeah.
Good. There we go. Nice. These adjustments specifically don't really feel too good, but they don't feel bad. Good. Okay. Yeah, so those are ones, those types of adjustments I just did, you're not going to hear anything. Actually, sometimes you will, but that's not, those adjustments you don't typically hear anything. Good. And then you're going to relax this arm down. Perfect. Now you'll hear some good cavitations if it wants to move. Good. Relax the shoulder. Perfect. And then relax the head. Nice. Good. doing a little bit of camera work there. Okay. Relax this arm.
The other hand here.
What'd you say?
The other hand here. The left hand should go up.
Oh, no, you can just relax.
Okay.
Yeah, just relax them both.
Wow.
Okay, take a deep breath. So how do you say Alhamdulillah in Farsi? Is it Alhamdulillah?
Alhamdulillah. Yeah.
So why is Salam different? Don't know?
No, you can say Salamun Alaikum.
Oh, okay. Let me have you sit up for me. Who knew we would be getting a language lesson? I do want to know where there's good Iranian food, though.
You can find, there's a restaurant called Ravaq.
Ravaq.
Yeah, they have different branch in city and Long Island.
And okay, like Long Island City or like actual Long Island?
Long Island.
Long Island, Long
Yeah,
Island.
yeah. Not all the ways, like
Okay.
less than an hour, I guess.
Okay,
from
good.
here.
Ravaq. Good.
Ravaq.
Ravaq.
Ravaqta.
Lavaq.
R-A-V-A-G-H.
AGH. Ravaq.
Yeah.
Ravaq. Okay. Actually, I don't know why I'm doing that. So bring your feet here. You're going to stay sitting up.
I'm sitting up?
Yep.
Okay.
You're going to give yourself a big hug.
Okay.
Yep, good. Let's see how well the camera tracks us now. So you're going to turn towards me. Good.
Okay.
And then keep your head in the middle. Good.
Like
And
that?
then- oh, yep. And I'm going to put this down. And then we're going to lay back. Relax your head back. That was good. Good. Feet stayed even. Good. Relax your arms. Okay. Yeah, you feel the difference between this side and this side?
Yeah.
Right side is left side actually feels pretty good. So when those, especially right up here, this is called upper cervical. Brain stem sits right here.
Uh-huh.
So all your hormones are controlled right in here. Sleep, wake cycle, energy, fatigue, immune function, stuff like that. So this stays damaged like this. All that stuff gets affected.
Okay.
And you'll notice the effects because you'll sleep a lot better tonight. Good. And now you're noticing all that range of motion loss. When I try to just bring your head over here, it's like stuck. Good. Good. Relax the head. There you go. Perfect. There we go. Good. Deep breath in. All the way out. Good. You have to do that again. Deep breath in. All the way out. And then you're going to do that one more time, except through the nose. So deep breath in the nose. And then all the way out. Teeth together, but don't clench. Good. All right, let me have you sit up. No, sit up. Okay. All right. Now stand up, walk around a little bit. See how you feel.
Yeah, much better.
Much better.
Yeah, a little still.
Feel on the right side?
Yeah.
Let's check it out. Lay on your back here.
My back.
Yep, on your back. Good. And then slide down this way.
This way?
Yep, keep going this way.
You mean?
Yep, keep going. Yep, there you go. Now lay back. Yep, perfect. Now point again to where you were feeling it in the back there. Okay.
Go on this side.
Good. So relax here. Good. Good. Relax your arm. Good. Okay. Now I'm gonna have you turn your head to your left. Yep. There you go. And then relax here. Good. Do you have any injuries to the shoulder?
No.
Okay. Relax here. Good. Nice. Good.
Wow.
Good. Stand up, walk around, see how that feels. Better?
Yeah,
We can do another one. We can do it for the gram. For the
For
Instagram. Yeah. So you'll stand here like this, and
Okay.
then you'll put your arms like this, like we're doing a pat down. Just kidding. So you're gonna face that way.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Now you're gonna bring your hands behind your head. Yep. Interlock them. I'm gonna put my hands behind your elbows or your wrists. Relax for a second. Good. Okay. Now bring your elbows together.
Together.
Yep. And then keep your feet a little further apart. Spread your feet out. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good. I'm going to lean you back. Don't worry, you won't fall. I got you. Okay. Good. Now, elbows together. Good. Nice and tight. You're going to lift your head up a little bit. Good. Head up.
Wow.
There we go. So go like this.
Wow.
So that's thoracic, which means mid-back, mobility.
Yeah.
So no matter how perfect your squat is in the gym, if your thoracic spine can't actually extend,
Right.
you're going to screw up your low back and your neck to try to compensate.
Right. Do you recommend to use one of these belts or something? Keep your posture like this?
No.
Because I feel like sometimes like that.
I have a video where I take a band and I wrap it around my shoulders and it pulls me back like this, and I'll like grab some heavy dumbbells and I'll like do a farmer's walk with it
Yeah.
while it's pulling me back like that. You can do that. But if you're using a, like a, what do they even call them? A back brace. I don't want you using a back brace. Is that what you mean?
Right.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Because it just, I mean, if you're gonna, with your work, if you are gonna be on like a really long shoot,
Yeah.
maybe get one, wear it for like 2 hours maximum.
Right.
If you know you're gonna have to be like this
Right,
for 2
always
hours,
like-
but otherwise I wouldn't.
Okay.
Good, how do you feel?
Yeah, this is great.
How do you feel?
Yeah, I feel amazing. Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you.
Cool, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Excellent, yes.
Yeah.
And then,
Amazing.
yeah, as far as frequency, I would say it depends on your goals.
Right.
If you want to stay healthy, at least get adjusted once or twice
Right.
a month.